And so we did this on the RaySecure site. We had that schedule a demo. But the problem was, what it did was it went to a calendar of one of the founder, and it said schedule a demo with the founder and learn about this technology. Literally no one would schedule a demo. Zero. We got zero. They were convinced that it was impossible to get people to schedule demos because they were security people and they just wouldn't give up even their contact information. So I thought, well, maybe the problem is that they think it's a sales call. That they know they're signing up for a one-on-one sales call with some guy, and it's not going to be pleasant because, frankly, most people don't like sales meetings. And so I said, what if we did this instead? What if we set up a weekly schedule of demos, and that we said every Tuesday at 11 a.m. and every Thursday at 3 p.m. there's a demo. If you want to participate, just sign up and you can see the demo. The implication is you're not the only one who's going to be there. And the train's going to run whether or not you're on it. And this is, just happening. So we created this, and in the first month we had 20 signups. This was hugely more effective just because we changed the conversion experience. And these things can just be so subtle. And sometimes, it makes a huge difference. If you're doing software, if you're doing SaaS software, the standard conversion experience is set up a free account right on the homepage. Put in your email, create a free account. Big companies do this all the time. Tesla, on their homepage, they don't just talk about what a beautiful car it is. They say order now. Apple says pre-order their next iPhone. This isn't subtle stuff. Sometimes people are afraid, we're in the business of selling things. Don't be too subtle about it. You want to get people to buy your stuff, make it really easy for them to do that. And then you've all seen what we call exit intent pop-ups, when you're on a website and you kind of move your cursor towards typing in a new URL, and it says, wait, before you leave, maybe you want to sign up for our newsletter, or you want to download this, one more time. These are all conversion opportunities, because 99% of the people who come to a website are not going to do anything. And you need to make it easy for them to get their contact information and start to engage with them. All right, to give you an idea of how challenging this can be, or unpredictable, this was an example of an ebook that we developed for RaySecure called Mail Security: 3 Best Practices. It was very popular. And we were using the landing page on the left for people to download it. They only got there if they clicked on an ad or a paid social media post. So they were clicking on something that said, do you want to download this free ebook of mail security best practices? And we said, well, wow, we're getting 28% conversion rate from this page on the left. If we made it, that's a very high conversion rate, by the way. Conversion rates often are in the single digits. If you get 6 or 8%, that's very normal, of people who will fill out a form that they come to and actually do what you want them to. We said, well, can we do actually better than 28%? What if we just totally streamline it and just say, fill in this form to download your free ebook? That's gotta be even better than having, 3 sentences that they have to read. All right, so in chat, the left gets 28% conversion rate. What do you think the forum on the right got? People want to take 10%? Marks 50, 46, 60, 0, 45. Wow, these are all over the place. All right, good guesses, people. 1. Well, the answer was 0. Absolute 100 people clicked on the ad to download an ebook, came to this new landing page, and not a single one downloaded it. So at that point, we said, screw it, go back to the other one. Obviously it works better. So you got to do these experiments, and you don't know what they're going to be, the results are going to be, until you do the experiments. Conversion optimization of your website is critically important, because if you don't do it and you do other promotions and drive people to your website, it's like trying to fill a bucket that's full of holes. You're just going to be wasting so much of your money and so much of your effort, and not getting nearly the results that you should.